Guys, it's raining. Yeah, it's raining. It's already because of the raining season. Yeah, and then excuse me. And I already hung the Kian is playing. I already hung the dress, guys. The clothes. Yes, clothes, yeah. And still I need to hang the clothes. Yes. And this is the one for hanging. Yeah, it's hot. And today, because of the raining, it's a little hot, guys. The weather. Yeah, it's hot. When it's rain come, the weather becoming hot, guys. Yeah, this is the Philippines. Okay. That's the raining season. Okay, guys. Later again. Hello, guys. Good evening, guys. It's already night. Yeah. It's time to eat candy and cookie, the food. Yeah. I just give to them food, guys, to be full. They should be full. They're eating food, guys, candy and cookie. Yes. Wow. I feel so sleepy. So I need to go sleep also, guys. Yeah. That's why Kian also is feeling sleepy also. Yeah. Okay, guys. Later again. Okay, guys. Candy and cookie. They finish eating. Look at here, guys. Today I wash many clothes. Look at, it's already full. Yeah. I put also here for the dry. I put here for also for dry. It's too much, guys. That's why. The spaghetti also that daddy make for Kian. Daddy making for Kian. He's shy, you shy, don't shy. Okay, guys. It's becoming night now. And we are going to sleep for the rest. And that's, yeah. Okay. Later, guys, again. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. And by next video again.
Sorry to interrupt your
Hi, teacher.
Okay.
Hello.
Kian have
Hello.
assignment in the computer by by computer, by school, the kinder.
Okay.
They
So
need to practice
now I
the
have a announcement.
sing. Yeah, that's why.
So I hope your parents are
Yeah,
listening
so,
to you.
okay,
So nabago po
later again,
yung...
guys, and thank you for watching my video, my vlog. Later again.
Sa baba eh.